Alright. Yeah, okay, you can see me. I have two purposes for making this video. The first is to say hello to someone who, for whatever reason, wants to see what I look like. Доброго дня, Елизавета. I hope I said that right. This is me. The other purpose is for the folks who have been following this woodworking project. I just want to show you how to use this saw guide that I'm referring to as an elephant head because, well, it kind of looks like an elephant head. It's pretty simple. Get it clamped up onto your workpiece. I'm doing it in gang this time because it suddenly occurred to me that I could actually do these cuts in gang. You set it up for your primary cut. You take a standard, this is a 1/4 inch thick, line it up, get it nice and tight, draw your guideline for your second cut. Actually, that'll be the third cut. Each one of these slots takes 3 cuts. And then lay your saw up. I'm using a pull saw and get a little support underneath it. And begin your cut. Now I've got to take it down to 1/2 inch. Oh, nowhere near. Almost. There we go. Then it's just shift. Bring it to about the midpoint. Reclamp. Resaw. Then move it to the final line. Reclamp, resaw it, and you wind up with a nice controlled cut. Repeat that for the entire series. That's all.